This is so good. I made a chamomile latte this morning. And it's just so soothing. I love chamomile so much. Hi, hope you're having a beautiful day. Welcome to this video. I am going to start playing around with doing a little bit more vlog style of videos in addition to recipes and other things, just to kind of share my life and go a little bit deeper than just a DIY or recipe video. So this past weekend was my dad's 68th birthday, and there is a town about an hour or so east of us called Julian. That's a really cute little mountain town. He has a friend who has a cabin there. So we stayed at this cabin, which just had the most incredible views, and the wind was a little bit crazy, but it was gorgeous, and it was so nice to spend time with family and be out in nature. I think I may have shared briefly on my Instagram that my dad got in a pretty bad biking accident earlier this year. He was on his bicycle training for a really long, incredible ride. Shout out, Dad, you're a badass. He was training for this long ride that he wanted to do, and he got thrown from his bicycle, landed on his hip, broke his femur and a couple of ribs. I stayed with him for a couple weeks in January right after it happened, and it was really obviously horrible to see him in so much pain and see him struggling. But it was also a wake-up call of like, wow, you can really lose people that you love just in the blink of an eye. And so it's been really nice to just get to spend more time with him, feel more connected with him. He's really, really active, so it was nice to actually have him just slow down and get to be able to spend time with him. That would be totally different time than how I would normally get to spend with him. So it was cool to spend his birthday, with family and just really be grateful, like he's alive, it could have been the end. So grateful to have my dad here, grateful for family, and just really feeling like in this last few months, I'm feeling more connected to my family than ever. So yeah, I was there with Josh, who's my husband, my dad, my dad's wife, Rachel, my mom, and my grandmother, who is in her 80s now. So it is just awesome to be there with 3 generations, and also our little family dog friend, Tilly, who you'll see. So we took some amazing footage, and I'm excited to just share that with you. Thank you so much for spending time with me and my family, and I'm looking forward to sharing more of my life with you next week on episode 2. Lots of love, friends.